think we need to label something.
Luckily, I just got in this new label maker from the TikTok shop. Ta-da! It is not only pink and awesome, but look, it holds the labels inside there and it makes for way easy printing. Look how cute this is, Rich.
It's got a nice little pink case.
It is, and a little strap so you can hold it like this. The app is Nimbot, N-I-M-B-O-T. So what we need to do is turn this one on with this button right here, push and hold, and that little blue light comes on. And X out of that too. And then you connect right there to the device. Now we have two devices. Allow it to use the Bluetooth. Ta-da. Here's the label, and you can, that's the current one that's in there, so you can select that. And then you can add different things to it. So if you want to add an image, you can add an image. You can allow full access to it. You can do icons, AI designs, text, barcodes, QR codes, scan things, a border, a serial number, a figure table. So let's just start with texty stuff. Print off, a double click to edit.
Okay.
So you come down here to print. You can also save it, so you can use it in the future.
Save and print? I
No,
don't want to
just
save
print.
and print.
So watch how easy this does. Boink, and it's printed. And then you tear it off like that. And then
Oh,
you
it's
have,
printed on that? Okay.
yep, and so you have a little one, and it'll align because I did pop it open, so it's a little bit unaligned. But if you
Okay.
print it again, it should print up normal. Ta-da, and it did.
Did you hit a button or
corrected itself.
anything, or no?
No, it just automatically prints because it's turned on. So see?
Okay, well,
Double
nice.
click to
That's very
edit.
nice.
So you can print up any labels that you want that fit on there.